Hello students, here we are solving the question which is based on the topic of rotational motion. The question here is find the center of mass of uniform L-shaped lamina, a thin flat plate with dimensions as shown in the figure. Mass of lamina is 3 kg. Now we see what is given to us. Given is mass is equals to 3 kg. Now this plate is having three parts. One part is having center C1, second part is having center C2, and third part is having center C3. Now these three parts are of same size and total mass is equals to 3 kg. So we can say that if the mass of this portion is M1, this is having M2 and this is having M3, since it is a uniform plate, M1 will be equals to M2 is equals to M3. It is divided into three parts, that will be equals to 1 kg. So first we find out coordinates of C1, C2 and C3. So C1 will be, now this point is 1, 0 and this point is 0, 1. So this is half of this horizontal line as well as vertical line. So this will become half, half. Similarly, coordinates of C2. Now this is 1 plus half, that is 3 by 2. But vertical distance is only half, that is half. And the coordinates of C3. Now in horizontal, we have moved, it is just above C1 and C3, they are in the same line. So the x value is half. And for y, we have moved one distance, 1 meter plus half, that is 3 by 2. Now what is the coordinate for center of mass for x value? X will be equals to m1 x1 plus m2 x2 plus m3 x3 divide by m1 plus m2 plus m3. Now on putting the value in this, what we get, 1 into half plus 1 into 3 by 2 plus 1 into half divided by 1 plus 1 plus 1, that comes out to be half plus 3 by 2 plus half divided by 3, that is equals to 5 by 2 divided by 3, that is equals to 5 by 6 meter. So the x value comes out to be 5 by 6 meter. Now similarly we check out for the y value. The formula for y value will be given by m1 y1 plus m2 y2 plus m3 y3 whole divided by m1 plus m2 plus m3. So again we put the values. M1 is 1, y1 is half plus m2 is 1, y2 is also half plus m3 is 1, y3 is 3 by 2 divided by 1 plus 1 plus 1, that gives out half plus 3 by 2 divided by 3, that is again equals to 5 by 2 divided by 3, that is coming out 5 by 6. So y value also comes out to be 5 by 6 meter. So then the center of mass of given plate is given by x coordinate, y coordinate, that is equals to 5 by 6 meter, 5 by 6 meter. That is all for this question. Do check out my other videos for more challenging problems.